We're going to show you how to download the app for this from the Apple Store for iPhone. Let's do it. All right, so you've got to go to the App Store and download the Coolify app. And I do believe this is it here. Torras Coolify. All right, let's get that. So I got to double click to get the app. My email. Let's double click. All right, so now we can get it. All right, let's open it. Allow. Agree. Oh, look at this. I've got to make an ID and a password. Agree and continue. All right, add device. All right, so I think I might have to turn it on, right? So let's go ahead and turn it on. There we go. Search for devices. Coolify Connect. All right, there we are. Check it out. Now I've got it. Look at it. So look at this. I can just do it on the app now. Watch. I can make it cooler. And then I can set, I guess apparently I can set it on auto or timer, or I can like set a, like if I love this certain connection, see how it's showing 97, and I could heart it. Now let's try it again. I'm going to go to 100. Let's go here. 100. Let's go here. 100. So now, so you can do one side or one or the other. So you can do the left or right side to get it super cool. So it's up to you. Look at it. Check it out. So that's working pretty good. All right, so that, I think that's the app. Let's see what we got here. Voice prompt instructions, warranty, firmware. Let's see, modifiable custom name. So you could change the name of it if you wanted to. But anyway, that's pretty much how it works. Oh man, it's getting cold. And oh look, you can turn it off on here too. So that's kind of cool. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.